I almost tripped. Don't trip. Alright. Whatever, fuck it up. Actually, go, begin. Remember, they say the #1 cause of hunting accidents is carelessness. I always like to say the #1 cause of hunting accidents is Rick.
That is not funny. Rick is our friend, and he died.
No, that's why it's funny. It's funny because it's true.
No, it's not funny because it's true, because Rick is a good friend of ours who died in a hunting accident yesterday.
That's why it's funny because it's true, and we know Rick. It's like an inside joke amongst friends. Oh, look, a squirrel!
Whoa! Dude, you blew its head off.
Ah, I ricked him.
Oh, guys, look, a deer! Whoa!
Whoa! Don't shoot her yet. Let's wait and study her movements.
Oh, God. What's she doing? She's not even scared. She's coming over here.
Whoa!
Oh! What is this? Oh! Is she presenting herself to us?
Oh, yes, she totally is.
That stupid deer wants us to have sex with it.
Oh, man, she wants it bad. Oh, man. That is gross, right, guys? Right? I'd like never ever, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I'd never have sex with a deer unless someone were to, dare me to.
I wouldn't have sex with that deer unless it were the last deer on the planet.
You mean you wouldn't have sex with that deer unless all the people on the planet were dead and there were only deer?
No, they'd be having sex with deer all the time.
That is a horny deer.
Look, she's pretending to walk away.
Whatever, she wants it.
Whatever. No, you want it. It's her way better than doing it than deer, alright? Fuck your world.
Damn, outrageous.
Yeah.
Oh!
Shit! Oh, I make your hooves curl up, you dirty little doe.
Oh!
What?
No. She went back inside her deer hole.
Man, I wanted to see what she was going to do next.
You guys want to go back to the truck and read the Bible?
Yeah.
Man, that deer wanted me.
She's got a fucking bra!
Oh, that is so funny because that means at some point that deer killed and ate a woman.
That deer does not know what it's doing, man. That deer knows exactly what she's doing. If she's not careful, she's going to get a good rogering from me.
Oh!
That is fucking on.
Whoa.
Are you gonna fuck the deer right now?
Yeah, don't shoot her till I'm done, okay?
Okay. Better use a rubber, dude. Lyme disease.
All right, wait, on second thought, wait till I'm about to come and shoot her in the face, okay? Who wants to get fucked? All y'all who wants to get fucked, say yeah! Yeah!
Excuse me!
Whoa.
Timmy Williams, park ranger. First of all, you three guys need to move your truck. Secondly, bestiality is way against park regulations. So all three of you need to get out of here right now.
Screw you, Fuzz.
Go! Get out of here.
Man, you're gonna get it bad.
Gross! Get out of here! And you can have your ring back. Now I want my stuff back from your deer hole, you tramp. Ha! All right.